Hey guys, what's up? I'm Eddie and welcome to my channel. I have Honor Band 6 in front of me and in this video I will show you how to set it up. To turn the watch on, press and hold the button. If the watch is not responding, that means that battery is empty. Charge your watch and try again. You should see the Honor logo on the screen. Now choose the language. If you choose the wrong language, scroll up and tap on the first option here. It will allow you to choose again. Now take your quick guide and open the first page, scan the QR code and tap on the link. If you don't have the QR code scanner app, you can install one from your app store. Here I'm going to choose download via browser. Your phone may think that this file is harmful to your phone because of the way we are downloading it. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. Tap on OK. Now open the downloaded file. Here you probably need to allow this installation in the settings. So I'll go to the settings and tap here to allow the installation. Now let's go back and tap on install. Once the app is installed, tap on open. I'll skip the update, go to devices and add. Tap on OK to scan for devices. Once you see your device here, tap on link. If you don't have a profile, you'll have to register. So let's tap on register, then agree. Select your date of birth. And here you have two options for registration, email and phone number. I'm going to use my phone number to register. It's much faster. Add your phone number here and tap on obtain code. You will have to do this small puzzle and now you will get the message on your phone. When you get the message, enter the code here. I've already registered, so I can't follow you here. When you log in, you'll have to wait for pairing. Once your phone finds the watch, you will have to confirm the pairing on the watch. Here, tap on continue and app will open the watch notifications page automatically, where you can set from which apps would you like to get your notifications on the Honor Band 6. To get notifications first, you'll have to allow this app to use your notifications. Tap here to enable, find Health app and allow notification access. Now you can go back and choose from which apps would you like to get your notifications. You will have to confirm a few things here and that's pretty much it. Congratulations, you did it. I hope this video was useful to you and I wish you a nice day. Thank you guys for watching and catch you guys later.